Hi there, and welcome to At Tony's Garage. Today, I will present an Italian exotic that I found on the Facebook group, World of Cars. So this is the 2006 Pagani Zonda F Spyder, made by Spark, on a 1/43 scale. Horacio Pagani began his career in the automotive industry working for Lamborghini in the early 1980s. He was responsible for designing and developing the iconic Countach Evoluzione, but he had a vision for creating his line of high-performance supercars that would push the boundaries of automotive design and engineering. In 1992, Horacio Pagani founded his own company, called Pagani Automobili SpA, intending to produce the world's finest supercars. The company's first car, the Zonda C12, was unveiled in 1999, and quickly gained acclaim for its stunning design and blistering performance. Now, let's talk about the model car from this clip. The Pagani Zonda F supercar paid tribute to founder, Horacio Pagani, and Formula One world champion race driver, Juan Manuel Fangio. As such, it was intended to show a commitment to lightness, performance, and innovation, and the Zonda F sported a logo, design concept, and name dedicated to Fangio. The model car is outstanding, with a very clean interior and with visibility to that great V12 from AMG. And yes, I am aware that some premium brands like Pico would make a more detailed model car, but for this Spark, I paid around $70 and a Pico model cost twice or even 3 times as much, and this is another aspect that makes this Zonda F a great investment for a collector. Check out my full review of this model on my second channel, Model Cars, Beer, and Words, with Tony, and also, let me know if you would like me to review another model car. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.